Hey, what's up? It's Gene with Dent Repair Now. We've got some nasty storms. There you go, you can see the clouds that have come through the area today. There have been confirmed hail reports in eastern Ohio, through the panhandle of West Virginia, as far south as Waynesburg, PA, and as far east as Murraysville. I think we also saw some reports and some videos on Twitter over in Monessen and Belle Vernon and Smithton. If you've been affected by the hailstorm and you've got damage on your car, make us your first call. You can reach us at 724-554-1756 or come visit us on the web at dentrepairnow.com. We've been in Pittsburgh serving the whole tri-state area for the last 15 years. Thanks for watching. If you got hit or know someone who got hit, make sure you reach out and we'd love to take care of you. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and we'll talk to you soon.